How to fix Botim app login failed error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're facing the Botim app login error, then don't worry. Today I'll show you some easy and effective solutions to fix this problem. So first things first, make sure that the internet is stable. Swipe down from the top right, toggle on your airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. So this refreshes the network connectivity. Now second, you can go to Google or any browser and search for fast.com. So this will check your internet speed and make sure that it is at least 100 Mbps. If not, contact with the internet service provider. And then come back and go to settings and go to general. Now there you'll find date and time and make sure that it is set to set automatically because incorrect time settings can block login. And then you can then head over to iPhone storage, scroll down and search for Botim app. Once you find it, just tap on it and try offloading the app. So offloading Botim will delete the app but keep its documents and data. And then you'll need to reinstall it again. So while reinstalling it, it will clear all the cache and then update the app to the latest version by reducing all the glitches. And then come back, then scroll down and check for VPN and device management. Make sure that not any VPN is connected because some VPN networks block the Botim login. So, I hope one of the solution helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.